Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was sitting here at the pool with my kids today, enjoying the summer day, and I started thinking about, a few things, and so I get a lot of comments in my social media and on YouTube from you guys. You guys ask me all different types of questions. I do the best I can to get, into the comment section and answer them as best as possible. And one question that comes up a lot is from people is, I'm not making any sales, or they're just struggling with affiliate marketing in general. So, and I just want to touch on two things in this video, and I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to get straight to it. When you guys are affiliate marketing, you guys need to use a proven system. You need to have a system, whether you're doing paid or free traffic, you need to have a system that constantly funnels people towards your offer, or whatever it is that you're promoting. I talked about in a TikTok live, I did a full training on an ABC content funnel, which basically takes people from different social media areas, gets them into either YouTube or a Facebook group, and where you can provide more value to them. It warms them up, and then you can start placing these offers that they were already looking for. You can place these offers in front of them, and if they decide that they're ready to make a purchase, then they can do so with some more confidence. And people who do this type of affiliate marketing, where they either spam their links or they get erratic traffic or cold traffic that doesn't know who they are or anything like that, you have to understand that your conversions are going to be next to zero when you're doing it that way. You need to position yourself as the authority in whatever product that you're promoting. Also, if you're not actually purchasing the products yourself and using the products, then how can you actually speak to the benefit that it's going to provide your lead or the person who's watching your content? You can't provide that basis of knowledge on how it's actually going to improve them, right? So that's why the products in 2020 that I promote, they're all products that I bought into, that I've purchased myself, and I'm an affiliate for them because I've seen how they've benefited me, and I know that they will benefit other people, right? As long as they take action. So the people who are out there, if you're out there and you're struggling to make affiliate commissions, I want you guys to understand that you have to position yourself as the authority, and you have to partner with particular affiliate products and services that people are actually going to get benefit from. And you can go to ClickBank and you can choose different products that you haven't purchased yet, and you can run paid traffic. You can run paid traffic and you can get conversions that way. If you got a slick funnel and you've got extra bonuses that you can give people that entice people to be able to purchase the product because they want your bonuses. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you want to be an affiliate marketer and you want to do it correctly, you're going to have to partner with a high converting product, provide people with lots and lots of value, make sure that you're actually giving people the solution to the problem, to their problem, right? And I struggled with this, I'm not gonna lie. Total transparency on my channel, total transparency with you guys. Last year, 2019, all of 2019 was my first. I documented my journey. You guys can go back in my channel. I was learning how to do ClickBank, how to do affiliate marketing, how to set up funnels and stuff like that. And I was teaching you guys where I was failing and what was working for me. And I was executing on my own strategies 100%. 100%, and I was winning and I was losing, and I did free traffic and I did paid traffic. I started testing things, and in 2020, when I really refined myself to very few products, and I started really getting down to high ticket affiliate marketing, giving people the value that they're looking for, and once I started focusing on those things, I started seeing a lot more success. So for the people, if you're out there and you're struggling, and I know a lot of you guys, even $50 per week or $100 per month would definitely make a difference for, you know, a lot of you guys around the world, all the people around the world that watch my channel. I know that even just a couple $100s a month would make a huge change in your lives. And I want you guys to know that it is possible, but you just need the right system and the right skills and the right methods to get yourself over that hump. And not only to mention is you got to have the right mindset, which is a whole nother video in itself. But I just wanted to make this, I know I'm kind of rambling this video, but I want you guys to understand that if you're out there struggling, reach out to me. I have a private Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I have a private Facebook group where you can access me anytime. There's other people in my Facebook group who are, you know, six-figure affiliate marketers. You can reach out to them as well. I consider some of those people in my Facebook group mentors of mine because I've learned so much from them. You can gain so much by surrounding yourself with people who are where you want to be, right? And I think not going after a mentor in 2019 and going after those people slowed my progress, but 2020 is halfway through. My channel is over a year old. I thank everyone on here who has been watching. Those of you who have been subscribed and been watching for any length of time, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want you guys to know that you guys can reach out to me at any time, and I will answer your questions as best as possible. And I want you guys to know that I was where you guys were, where I was making nothing in affiliate commissions, and I was, you know, paying for softwares, and I was doing all these things that I thought were right, when I just needed a clear path, and I need somebody to show me exactly the right system and the way that you should be funneling traffic to increase your conversions and to continue to build your online and digital marketing, you know, affiliate marketing business. And it takes time. I don't want you guys, I don't sugarcoat it ever. And I'm gonna make another video where, you know, kind of addressing the people who are chasing like that quick, you know, make $5 in 20-minute stuff. And then I'm gonna show you guys how, if you just build a proper system, you can fully, instead of trading your time for money, you can really start to automate your online business. All right. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so that you guys can capture all of my future videos. I got a lot of great content going to be coming out talking about driving free traffic, especially with TikTok and YouTube especially. And I want you guys to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. All right, bye.